Today topic is variation of molar conductivity. Now we write heading variation of molar conductivity. We explain variation of molar conductivity. It is related to molar conductivity. Here we write the molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution. We write the molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution depends upon the following factors. We write the molar conductivity of an electrolytic solution depends upon the following factors. First point is nature of, we write first point, nature of electrolyte. It is a first factor. We study there are two types of electrolyte. First is a strong electrolyte and second is weak electrolyte. A strong electrolyte is completely ionized in the solution and weak electrolyte does not completely ionize in the solution. On the basis of strong and weak, here we write point A, which is related to a strong electrolyte. Here we write a strong electrolyte. We write a strong electrolytes have high values of molar conductivity. We write strong electrolytes have high values of molar conductivity. It is due to completely ionized in the solution. Strong electrolytes are completely ionized in the solution, therefore they have high values of molar conductivity. Now we write point B, weak electrolytes. We write weak electrolytes have low. We write weak electrolytes have low values of molar conductivity. We write weak electrolytes have low value of molar conductivity. It is due to not completely ionized in the solution. Next point we write concentration. 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 Here we write the molar conductivity. The molar conductivity of an electrolyte increases. We write the molar conductivity of an electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration or we write the molar conductivity of electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration. If concentration decrease, molar conductivity of electrolyte, if concentration of solution decrease, the molar conductivity of electrolyte increase. This statement write in dilution. Here or increase in, we write or increase in dilution. We write molar conductivity of an electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration. In second term, increase in dilution. Decrease in concentration means increase in dilution. We write third point, which affect the molar conductivity. We write temperature. If temperature increase, the molar conductivity will be increased. The right, the molar conductivity. We write the molar conductivity of an electrolyte increases with increase. We write the molar conductivity of an electrolyte increases with increase in temperature. Increase in temperature. Now we write next topic. We write next topic equivalent conductivity. Here we write heading equivalent conductivity. What is equivalent conductivity? We write the conducting power. We write the conducting power of all the ions. We write the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving one gram equivalent. We write the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in the solution is called equivalent conductivity. We write the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in the solution is called equivalent conductivity. It is denoted by lambda eq. The symbol of equivalent conductivity is lambda eq. Here we write it is related to a specific conductivity. We write it is related to specific conductivity as. Here we write lambda eq is equal to kappa into 1000 upon capital N, where lambda eq is equal to equivalent conductivity. Kappa is equal to a specific conductivity. N is equal to normality of the solution. We write of the solution. Now we write unit of equivalent conductivity. we write unit ohm inverse cm square gram equivalent inverse और ओम इनवर्स मीटर स्क्वायर ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट इनवर्स. We write in Simon cm square gram equivalent inverse. Here we write Simon meter square gram equivalent inverse. These are units of equivalent conductivity. Now we write two notes. We write notes first. One Simon meter square gram equivalent inverse is equal to 10 to the power 4 C Simon cm square gram equivalent inverse. We write second note 1 Simon cm square gram equivalent inverse is equal to. We write 1 Simon cm square gram equivalent 10 to the power minus 4 Simon meter square gram equivalent inverse.